Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide a payment method for a delivery or shipping titles using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Delivery Shipping Titles condition. Now add your desired delivery or shipping title from the Conditions field, and select If Found. We will enter Express Delivery. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide Cash on Delivery if the selected shipping method is Express Delivery. Now let's test our rule. Currently, the selected shipping method is Standard, so Cash on Delivery is visible on the checkout page. Now, let's select the Express Delivery shipping method and check if Cash on Delivery gets hidden. As you can see, the Cash on Delivery payment method is gone. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!